Good morning, friends. Today I'd like to teach you the basic arm positions in ballet. In French, the term for moving your arms through space is port-de-bras. Can you say that? Port-de-bras. It means carriage of the arms. So what I'd like you to do is stand up tall in your space and try opening your feet to a turned out position. Hold your arms in this low shape, and we call this en bas. That means on low. Bring your arms forward in a round shape like you're hugging a big ball. This is first position. Open your arms to the side. This is second position. Now, bring one arm in a curved shape over your head, and the other arm is still to the side. This is third position. You can switch this to the other side too. Third position. Now bring this side arm in a round shape to the front. This is fourth position. You can switch that. Good. And now both arms in a round shape over your head. Make a picture frame for your cute face. This is fifth position. Great. So once again, first, second, one arm up, third, switch, fourth, switch, and fifth. Great. So next we're going to listen to some music and then make up a dance using some of these arm positions. We're going to create a dance using some music that one of my students composed. My young friend Ty is no more than 10 years old, and he recently wrote an entire album. Can you believe that? So we're going to listen to a piece called Nightingale, and then we're going to make a dance to it. This piece does have kind of a big high sound at the beginning, so don't let it make you nervous. The rest of it is very calm and beautiful. Isn't that pretty? We're going to count to 4 as we listen to this. Ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Begin your dance by standing tall with turned out feet. Our arms will go to first position, up to fifth position, open to second position, en bas. This piece makes me think of a bird. After all, it's called Nightingale. So one wing is going to fly up and down. Other arm, up and down. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we do it with counts. Let's try it with music. Second position, Yeah, we'll add on